Bajaj Steel Industries Limited, a company of cotton ginning industry manufacturer and a multi-product engineering company in Nagpur, India, was established in 1961. Introducing a Bajaj steel tractor attachments for cotton ginning industries. Bajaj tractor attachment design of base frame to maintain the tractor balance while in movement for catching the cotton properly. Tractor attachment having higher bucket turning and wide bucket volume. Superior in operation, smooth flow of jerkless movement of all the linkages and in-house tested and certified cylinders. Hard JCB teeth in front of bucket to resist the wear and tear of bucket base. Increased bucket height by 2 feet than earlier version, that is up to 14 feet. For heavy cotton load, it's made into robust arm and column design to support the higher volume of bucket. Improved design of base frame of tractor to maintain the tractor balance and load while filling a raw cotton into cotton dispensing system. Hardened and tempered joining pins for all the links. Robust dead weight tank and frame type construction to sustain the balancing weight. Separate cylinders for both the lifting arms compared to our earlier model, which had a common cylinder of almost half the capacity. Bajaj tractor attachment is superior for handling by tractors in cotton ginning and pressing plants for cotton bale handling. Loose cotton handling. Seed heaping and loading to bagging hoppers. Heaping of cotton.